Hi everyone, my name is Vikas. So I am an investment banker. I hold over 12 years of experience working in this investment banking and financial modeling. Okay. So I'm making this short video for all of those like who are looking to build their career in the field of investment banking and financial modeling. Okay. So this video will also be relevant for those people or those students who are looking to migrate or who are looking to basically switch their fields into like investment bank, who are looking to basically build their career in the field of investment banking and financial modeling and currently working in the other fields of finance. Okay. So in this short video, so we are going to talk about what are the requirement for getting into these kind of job. Okay. So in case you are a fresher or in case you are looking to build your career in the financial modeling or investment banking, so there are some prerequisites or that there are some pre-requirements which employers or these recruitment firms basically looks at. Okay. The first one is basically about your academic background. Okay. So they will check your academic background, the college, university that you're coming from. Okay. So although like this can be overlooked in certain situations, but for bulge break in investment bank or bigger M&A firms, so these firms are specifically looking for your academic background. Okay. Other than that, so there are a few skill set that you will require to basically get excelled in this particular field. So these are like basic to advanced Excel skills. Along with that financial analysis skill, so you should also be having the problem solving skills. Okay. So these are the skill sets that you'll be requiring to get excelled in this skill. Okay. So then along with that, so in case you really want to get shortlisted and in case you want to build your career, so when you'll be applying for these kind of opportunities, so they will be asking you to basically work on certain case studies or aptitude based tests. Okay. So these are the criteria, the shortlisting criteria for these employers when they look for any candidates within these job sets. Okay. So we have talked about like what are the pre-requirements and what are the prerequisites for these kind of jobs. So now we'll be looking at like what are the skill set which is required to become a financial modeling expert. Okay. So the first one is basically about the conceptual knowledge. Okay. So you should have good accounting knowledge. You should have good understanding about the time value of money concept and the basics of finance. Okay. Along with that, the financial statements, like you should have a good understanding of like the profit and loss account, balance sheet, cash flow, how these statements are basically interlinked with each other. Okay. Then you should have basics to advanced Excel proficiency. You should be able to work on VLOOKUP, like basic to advanced Excel formulas such as VLOOKUP, index match, pivot table, conditional formatting, data tool, and so on. Okay. And within the investment banking or financial modeling, so you'll be working on different kind of models depending upon different kind of situations. So these are like DCF, LBO, M&A, three statement models. So these are like different kind of models that you'll be working on as a part of your daily job. These models, so you'll be working on some will be building these three statement models. So you will be basically doing some projections for the company for the next 5 year, 3 years. Okay. For that reason, so you'll be having good understanding about the business, how the revenue of the company is basically being driven. Okay. What are the costs associated with the business, like what are the different kind of expenses and costs associated with the business. Okay. And on what level, so in case you are moving forward, uh, in case you are looking to enter into the growth stage, so then on what stages the capital investments are basically required from time to time. Okay. So then the finally is like the financial modeling is not just about the numbers. Okay. So you should be good with like how you are presenting your analysis in a dashboard using some dashboard charts or storytelling. Okay. So this is all about, so these are the skill set that you'll be requiring to get enter into this particular field. Okay. So for that reason, so I have just done a quick comparison between two of the best uh, financial modeling and investment banking courses which are available online. Okay. And we will be doing a quick comparison between those, and then so you can take a call like which course will be more suitable for you as per your requirement. So now I'll be moving to do a comparison between both of these courses. Okay. So now we will look at two of the best financial modeling courses online. Okay. So first of all, we will start with the CFA Institute. Okay. So this institute also offer the financial modeling program. Okay. So if we look at this, the structure and the duration of this particular program, so this seems to be a online self-paced program. Okay. So in this course, you are not going to get any live classes. Okay. So as they have written on their website, so this is going to be an online self-paced program, and you'll be requiring 10 to 20 hours to complete. Okay. So you just need to complete these module at your own pace. Okay. So these can be completed online. So you just need a laptop and you can just attend all those videos to complete the entire course. Okay. So what are the prerequisites to complete this course? So they recommend candidates have basic familiarity with the principle behind financial modeling or have completed the CFA program level 1 financial statement analysis content. Okay. So that is available for level 1 only. So if we talk about the overview of the financial modeling, so the financial modeling skills are essential for anyone pursuing a career in finance. So that is something we have already understood, right? So key learning objective of the financial modeling. So explore financial modeling best practices, optimal model design and flow and financial statement. Discover how to build key model schedules such as revenue, cost, fixed asset, taxes, working capital, debt, and equity schedules. So in this course, you are going to learn a basic about like how to derive the revenue, how to calculate the cost. Okay. So then how to prepare different kind of schedules such as depreciation schedule, then income tax schedule, working capital schedules, capital structure, financial statements, output, and troubleshooting. So this is something that you are going to learn in this particular course. So since this course is going to be completed in about 10 to 20 hours, so as per my understanding, so this is going to be a very basic course. Okay, so you can attend this course. So in case you have some prior understanding of working on the financial statements, so you have prior understanding of the accounting concepts, so then it will be beneficial for you. Otherwise, in case you are new to this particular field, so then I would request you to go with any other course. So now we'll be looking at the one of the best financial modeling courses which is available online. Okay, so this course is basically available from IIM Skills. Okay, so this course is basically offered by IIM Skills. So these are the course highlights. So this course comes with a 185 plus hours of course delivery, 100 plus hours of assignments that you'll be doing, 25 plus hours of doubt solving classes, 24 into 7 support, 100% job guarantee, money back guarantee, lifetime LMS access, one-to-one mentorship, job portal exclusive access. So if we talk about the course curriculum, so you're going to learn basic to advanced Excel, accounting concept and financial statement, ratio and KPI analysis, technicals of investment banking and financial modeling, different types of financial model, business valuation, and the new age tools along with. Okay. So along with that, so you will also be developing some job interview skills, like the resume building, mock interview preparation, LinkedIn profile building, communication skill, problem solving skill, business case studies, guesstimate, and so much others. Okay. So now we'll be understanding how you can basically take this particular course. Okay, so there are like different variants under which this course can be taken. So the first one is the self-paced program. So in this, you'll be getting the pre-recorded videos. So you just need to take out some time to attend those videos. So this is going to be a self-paced. Okay. So then you'll be getting 1 year LMS access, job support, placement portal access to financial model templates worth $600. So all of these features are basically available for a fees of 29,900 plus 18% GST. So the next program is basically the master program. So in this, you'll be attending all those classes live. So these are going to be a instructor-led live classes. So you'll be getting lifetime LMS access. So you'll be getting job support, placement support, 5 financial model templates worth $2,000. Then WhatsApp group mentorship, paid internship, LinkedIn profile optimization. So all of these features and the benefits are available for a fees of 49,900 along with 18% GST. Okay. So then comes the most prevalent course which is offered by the IIM Skill, which is known as Job Guarantee PG program. Okay. So along with the other features that you're getting in the self-paced program and the master program, so you'll be getting 10 plus financial model templates worth $5,000. Okay, you'll be getting one-to-one mentorship, you'll be getting paid internship, you'll be getting work from home opportunities, you'll be getting global placements guarantee, leadership lounge access, campus immersion, then personal branding toolkit, international freelancing opportunities, and 50% fee refund if you are not placed anywhere after completing this particular course. Okay, so you can claim for 50% fee refund. So all of these features and benefits are available for a fees of 1,49,900 with 18% GST. Okay. So now we have looked at both of these courses. So now basis this, so I've done a quick comparison between both of these courses. So one is offered by IIM Skills and the other one is basically offered by CFA Institute. Okay. Post that, so both of these courses are going to cover the course from comprehensive level. But since CFA Institute is going to cover this entire course in about 10 to 20 hours, so I understand that that is going to be a very basic one. Okay. But if you go with IIM Skills, so that you in this course you're going to get everything from the comprehensive angle. Okay. So in Excel skills we are going to learn in both of these courses. So live session you'll be attending in case you go with IIM Skills, but live classes are not available if you go with CFA Institute. Live doubt sessions are again available for IIM Skills, that are not available for CFA Institute. Internship support, placement support you'll be getting if you go with IIM Skills. CFA Institute is not going to offer that. Then course fees, you'll be paying less if you go with CFA Institute, because that is just going to be a very basic course that can be completed in 10 to 20 hours. Okay. But if you go with IIM Skills, so IIM Skills is going to complete this entire course in about 185 plus hours of sessions. Okay. So all those sessions are going to be live if you go with master course of IIM Skills. Okay. So then course duration. So the IIM Skills is basically going to complete this course in about 3 to 4 months of time on weekends. And if you go with CFA Institute, so this is just a like 10 to 20 hours of self-paced program, so that you can complete at the as per your availability. Okay, so then money back guarantee you'll be getting in case you go with IIM Skills. Okay, but that is not available in the case of CFA Institute. You'll be getting LMS access for the lifetime if you go with IIM Skills, but that is not available in case you go with CFA Institute. Okay. So on a total score basis, so I've rated 10 out of 10 for IIM Skills, and CFA Institute have only scored about 3 out of 10. Okay. So basis this analysis, basis my personal understanding and basis this calculation, so I would recommend you to go with IIM Skills if you really want to build your career in the field of investment banking and financial modeling. Okay. So this is my own calculation. This is my own understanding. So in case, so you want to do your own comparison, so you can also do that. In case you need any further assistance from my end, so just put your question in the comment section, so I'll be able to revert to you as soon as possible. Okay, so thanks for watching the video. I hope you'll find this video helpful.